How to draw a papaya. Step 1. Draw the shape. Draw a large oval, slightly tapered at one end, like an egg. Papayas are not perfectly symmetrical. Feel free to make it a bit lumpy for realism. Step 2. Draw the cut. To show the inside, draw a curved line lengthwise through the middle so it looks cut open. You can also simply draw one whole papaya if you prefer. Step 3. Draw the seeds. Inside the cut section, draw a cluster of small circles or ovals in the center. Papaya seeds are numerous, small and black. Step 4. Add the stem. At the narrower end, draw a short little stem. Coloring your papaya. Here's how to color it realistically. Papaya skin. Outside, greenish yellow to orange. Ripe papayas are bright orange outside. Papaya flesh. Bright orange or reddish orange. Seeds. Dark brown or black with a shiny look. Stem. Light green or brown. Add shade in around the edges for a 3D effect. The seeds often look slightly glossy,